Hope all is well. Now, fall is upon us. And if you're like me and you don't have the unlimited amount of closet space or just storage in general, I've always been this way. My family and I have always done this, but every single season we take out the previous season and put in our new season. So it just feels like a brand new wardrobe every single time. So now it is time for me to, unfortunately, take out my summer clothes out of my closet for more space for my bulky sweaters and jackets. Now, unfortunately, this means that I won't have that much closet space, but it does mean that I have a more inspiration for cute outfits, so I can also sort of see what I'm missing in my wardrobe and what is something that I've maybe forgotten that I now have. So it'll be exciting to look at it together. And so now let's go to the basement and get my sweaters out. If you guys remember my video about my little house tour, you know about this seedy basement with this funny wood paneling walls and this bar. So hilarious. Hi there. And this is where we have our unfortunate hoarding situation, and we have some extra bags and some boxes, and right down there in the cusp of everything are my sweaters. So let's take them out now. Alrighty, so I'm back. I have these two clear plastic bins that I found downstairs. I also have some boots that I'm not going to bring back up just yet, but just know that there's also a little bit of footwear as well. So let's go through these bins. So some of it is Colton, but most of it is mine, let's be real. And we shall unload these and then reload them with summer things. First things first, I did get some of these sweaters last winter, so these are still super pretty for this season. So this is the back here and this is the front. So a really pretty cream sweater. Always need something like this for the winter time. I also have this beautiful Polo Ralph Lauren sweater. And I don't know if, I think this will be really nice actually for work. So I think I will keep it just for something to put over like a button up or something. This is a university sweater that Colton gave me last winter. So this is really fun for the weekend. And then this is also from last fall. This is a really pretty sweater that just has some knit detailing on it and whatnot, so this is perfect for the fall season. And we also have some scarves and some toques. I have this beautiful scarf that my parents gave me, and then some gloves. These are some beautiful Lululemon gloves that I love wearing, you know, the subway and whatnot, because the subway is gross in the winter, so you always want to wear your gloves when you're traveling to work. So these are still really nice. I have this beautiful gray sweater, which again could be worn at work and again worn on top of a button-up shirt, which could be really nice. So this is again a really good staple. And then this I bought also last winter, and this is like with the little faux fur sleeves, so this is really cute and really luxurious. So I've taken out a bit of what I currently have in my closet, so then I can really identify what's in the summer that I'm going to rewear possibly next season, so I can put away. What are things that I want to keep for my winter wardrobe, and what are things that maybe I want to donate and I realize, oh my gosh, this has been in my closet for a while, maybe I don't really want to wear it anymore. So let's start. I started off with some things in hanging up in my closet. So I do have a lot of summer dresses that I will not be wearing this winter. So I have this beautiful blue one that is kind of crocheted, and so I do have a nude lining for this. I also have this that you've seen that I wore at the Sip and See. This is also just a very summery outfit, so this shall be going in the summer wardrobe as well. I have this striped dress that I've had forever and I just can't seem to let it go. Also a summer dress. I have this beautiful dress that you've seen in videos. Very summery, very beautiful. Will be probably wearing it next summer as well. This Zara button-up, very beautiful silky fabric. Also a summer outfit. I have this strapless jumpsuit that is pretty summery and that I bought for a certain vacation. So this will be out and about. And again, if ever I do go on vacation this winter, I'll probably go back and check out what I want, but for now it doesn't need to be in my closet every day. So I also have this flowery Zara dress that also I've had for a very long time and I just can't seem to let it go. And then this beautiful eggy baby doll dress that I haven't had a chance to wear out yet. And again, I think I'm gonna wear it with like a turtleneck underneath, so I will keep this out just for now. And over here I have what was in my drawers. So they were starting to get a bit packed because I started buying some things for the fall and I hadn't had a chance to look at looking at putting stuff away. So I have this shirt here I've had for a couple of years now, and it's black in the front and then sheer in the back, and I haven't worn this in quite some time. So I'm gonna see if maybe I want to donate this. I have two new sweaters that I'm super excited, and I've already worn both. They're just like a cropped, beautiful striped sweater, and they kind of have like a varsity vintage style. So I have it in that color, and then I also have it in this color, and they look super cute with jeans or like with a little maxi dress or whatever. So I really like those. I have this nice long sleeve that is like a bit cropped and form-fitting. So anything high-waisted and a little bit baggy, this looks super nice with it. And I love this green color. So far a lot of things are staying. This right here, this is really nice. I've worn this once maybe in the past couple of months, but I don't seem to have a steamer with me, so it's really hard to even take this out because it gets wrinkled so easily. So I might have to have a maybe pile for this. I got this cardigan not too long ago and I really enjoy it so far. It's just a short cardigan and it has tortoiseshell buttons on it. It's just a simple black cardigan and I really like it. I haven't worn this in a while. It's just a high neck turtleneck with no sleeves. And it has this faux shirting on the bottom. I haven't worn this in a very long time, so this will have to maybe go. I have this snakeskin bodysuit that I wear to go out, but you know me, I don't really go out that much. But it's good to have just a bodysuit just in case. So I shall keep. And snakeskin is coming back or something. So I also have this basic long sleeve as well. It's just a really nice unique color, and long sleeves are nice basics to have for the winter. You're not going to wear sweaters all the time, right? This will also have to go in the summer pile just because it's a crop t-shirt. I don't know when I'll wear that. What I've learned from my summer clear out so far is that I'm probably missing a bit of more of a wintry dress or wintry formal things, just because I think it'll be good for work and for any formal occasion that I need. I have a lot of summer dresses and I've worn pretty much all of them, so I think some winter dresses could be really good for the season and it'll make me maybe want to go out a bit more. We'll see. And I also think I'm gonna need a little bit more button-ups, just because it could really complement a lot of the sweaters I have. I do have a lot of sweaters, and some button-ups to make it a bit more clean, very much work appropriate. I think it would be really nice. And yeah, so far that's what I've been seeing. I hope you enjoyed a bit of my clear out. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of what was in my closet. I will see you in the next one.